In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce and Google Drive using Files Connect. This integration allows you to seamlessly access your Google Drive documents directly from your Salesforce platform, making document management more efficient and accessible for your team. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Setup Gear icon. Click on this icon to enter the setup area of Salesforce. Here, you'll use the Quick Find search bar on the left-hand side to look for Files Connect. This tool is essential for linking your Salesforce and Google Drive accounts. After you've found Files Connect, go ahead and enable it. Enabling Files Connect ensures that Salesforce can communicate effectively with external file systems such as Google Drive. Next, return to the Quick Find bar and search for auth providers. Once there, you'll need to create a new authentication provider. Select Google as your provider type. This step is crucial because it establishes the trusted connection between Salesforce and Google Drive. Now here's where you'll need a bit of information from your Google Cloud project. Enter the client ID and client secret associated with your Google Cloud project. This information serves as your digital handshake, securely linking Salesforce with Google Drive. After entering the details, save your settings and proceed to test the connection to ensure everything is set up properly. This step validates that Salesforce can successfully connect with your Google Drive. With the authentication settings complete, return to Quick Find and search for permission sets. You'll create a new permission set specifically for this integration. Within this permission set, be sure to enable Files Connect Cloud. This permission allows the users in your organization to access Google Drive via Salesforce. Assign this newly created permission set to the users who need access to Google Drive. It's important to ensure only authorized users have access to sensitive documents stored on your Google Drive. Next up, let's navigate back to Quick Find, type in External Data Sources, and select New. Here, choose Files Connect Google Drive from the options. Link this to your previously set up auth provider and make sure to check Enable OAuth Refresh Token Flow. This ensures that the connection remains active without frequent reauthentication. Finally, you're going to click Validate and Sync. This step connects your Google Drive folders with Salesforce, allowing your files to become accessible directly under the Files tab. And there you have it. Your Google Drive is now integrated with Salesforce. Users can access files directly from the Files tab, streamlining workflows and improving productivity. Whether you're sharing documents with colleagues or attaching files to Salesforce records, this setup simplifies your tasks and keeps all your resources at your fingertips.